Hey there, pen enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the mesmerizing world of pens, uncovering 25 mind-blowing facts that will leave you in awe. So, grab your favorite writing instrument and let's embark on this ink-filled journey together. Fact 1. The oldest pen. Did you know that the oldest known pen dates back to 3000 BC? Ancient scribes used reed brushes to write on papyrus scrolls in Egypt. Talk about a timeless writing tool. Fact 2. Ballpoint revolution. Fast forward to 1938, when Laszlo Biro invented the ballpoint pen. This revolutionary design eliminated the need for messy inkwells, giving birth to the ballpoint pen we know today. Fact 3. World's most expensive pen. Ever wondered about the priciest pen in the world? The Aurora Diamante, adorned with over 30 carats of diamonds, holds the title. It's a dazzling blend of luxury and functionality. Fact 4. Gel pens gel magic. Unlocking the mystery behind gel pens, their ink is a unique gel consistency that ensures smooth writing. No wonder they're a favorite among pen aficionados. Fact 5. Space pens. Did you hear about the space pen myth? Contrary to popular belief, NASA didn't spend millions developing a pen for space. They used the space pen developed independently by Paul C. Fisher. Fact 6. Hidden ink messages. Remember those invisible ink pens from your childhood? They're not just for spies. They use special ink that only reveals itself under certain conditions. Secret messages. Anyone? Fact 7. Quill to fountain. Transitioning from quills to fountain pens, the 19th century saw a surge in fountain pen popularity. The invention of the reservoir feed system transformed the writing experience. Fact 8. Bic Crystal legacy. With over 100 billion sold since its debut in 1950, the Bic Crystal is an iconic pen. Its transparent design and reliable ink make it a classic choice for millions worldwide. Fact 9. The pen cap's purpose. Have you ever wondered about the tiny hole in a pen cap? It's not just for ventilation. It's a safety feature to reduce the risk of choking if accidentally swallowed. Fact 10. Crossword puzzle influence. Believe it or not, the popularity of crossword puzzles played a role in making ballpoint pens a household item. People needed a pen that wouldn't smudge, leading to the rise of ballpoints. Fact 11. Pen collecting hobby. Pen collecting, or penophilia, is a thriving hobby. Enthusiasts seek unique designs, vintage pieces, and limited editions, creating a vibrant community around the love of pens. Fact 12. Montblanc's heritage. Mention luxury pens, and Montblanc comes to mind. Established in 1906, Montblanc pens are renowned for their exquisite craftsmanship and timeless elegance. Fact 13. EDC pen trend. Joining the EDC everyday carry trend, compact and durable pens have gained popularity. They're designed to be reliable companions for jotting down notes on the go. Fact 14. 3D printing pens. Enter the future with 3D printing pens. These innovative gadgets use heated plastic to create 3D structures, bringing a whole new dimension to artistic expression. Fact 15. Penmanship renaissance. Despite digital advancements, there's a modern penmanship renaissance. Calligraphy and hand lettering have become popular forms of artistic expression in the digital age. Fact 16. Pen as a fashion accessory. Pens aren't just for writing. They've become fashion accessories. Many luxury brands offer pens as part of their collections, blending style with functionality. Fact 17. Sustainable ink options. With environmental awareness rising, sustainable ink options are gaining traction. From vegetable-based inks to recycled materials, pens are embracing eco-friendly alternatives. Fact 18. The power of doodling. Doodling isn't just a distraction. It boosts creativity and focus. Many successful thinkers and creators attribute their breakthrough ideas to the power of doodling with a pen. Fact 19. World record for continuous writing. In 2007, a Sri Lankan man set the world record for continuous writing, penning over 600,000 words in 50 hours without a break. Talk about stamina and dedication. Fact 20. Pen spinning phenomenon. Pen spinning, a mesmerizing art form, has gained popularity online. Enthusiasts showcase incredible dexterity and coordination, turning pens into spinning works of art. Fact 21. NASA's Fisher Space Pen. While the space pen is often associated with NASA, it was independently developed by Paul C. Fisher. Its ability to write in zero gravity made it a valuable tool for astronauts. Fact 22. Collectible limited edition pens. Some pens are true works of art. Limited edition releases with intricate designs, precious materials, and unique themes attract collectors worldwide. Fact 23. The psychology of pen color. The color of your pen can impact your mood and productivity. Blue is associated with focus, black with authority, and red with creativity. Choose your pen wisely. Fact 24. Pen pal tradition. The age-old tradition of pen pals has a timeless charm. Even in our digital age, handwritten letters exchanged between pen pals remain a meaningful and personal connection. There you have it, Pen Enthusiast's 25 inspiring facts about these essential writing tools. Which fact surprised you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more pentastic content. Until next time, keep writing and exploring the fascinating world of pens. Happy scribbling!